Safety talk for the week of March 17th, 2025. Hand safety and injury prevention safety talk. Again, off of the website on Safety Talks. And a written copy is also sent to all of you. We use our hands in virtually every task that we do at work. And because of this fact, they're commonly injured on the job. Keeping our hands and fingers out of harm's way at work is critical. A serious injury to an individual's hands or fingers results in a huge negative impact in their ability to do their work and overall quality of life. While safety gloves are a most common form of personal protective equipment, PPE, found in the workplace, hand injuries are still the second leading type of injury on the job. Some statistics that I see from BLS, 110,000 lost time cases a year. That's huge. Million workers are treated a year. 70% of workers experienced a hand injury were not wearing gloves. Another 30% had gloves on, but they were damaged and inadequate. That's amazing. So what are the types of injuries? Lacerations are the most common type of hand injury. Lacerations are due to sharp objects or tools. Often inadequate gloves are used during an activity that involves a sharp tool. A glove with Kevlar is effective in protecting the hand against a cutting or slicing motion. A straight stab motion can still easily penetrate through the gloves. Caution needs to be used when using sharp objects or any tools that can easily penetrate the skin. Crush injuries are usually due to employees placing their hands in the line of fire between two objects or rotating piece of equipment. Pinch points on equipment or tools also commonly lead to crushing injuries. Fractures occur when there's a sudden blow to the bones in the fingers or hands. Motor vehicle accidents often cause fractures to the hands. Another common cause of fractures is an individual extending out their hands to catch something from a fall. Good practices and procedures. Use tools to remove your hands from the line of fire when doing a work task that could result in an injury to your hands or fingers. Using tools such as push sticks when using a table saw is an example that removes your hands from the line of fire. Using fixed open blade knives where there are knives that limit the length of the blade exposed. They also have safety features that retracts the blade when pressure is left off the handle or switch of the controls of the blade. Never put your hand in an area when you can't see it. Wear gloves and hand protection, but not just any glove. Always wear the appropriate gloves whenever a task is being performed and understand the limitations of gloves and work tasks that they're appropriate for. Never work on an energized piece of equipment. Lock and tag out the equipment to ensure that it will not unintentionally start up while you're working on it. Some discussion points. What are some of the biggest hazards to your hands on site? Next time you're doing a simple task at home, such as setting up at the table for dinner, getting ready in the morning, or cleaning, trying to do a task, one or two less fingers. It sounds like a silly exercise, but this can help put into perspective how hard it would be to complete a task without some of our fingers. It's easy to take it for granted that our health and the abilities when we've had them for so long and take it for granted. Folks, in conclusion, the choice is up to us. Make good choices because you make them. Have a good week.